Hi, my name's Larry and I'm part of the product development team here at California Air Tools. And today I'm going to introduce you to one of our new products. In front of me today is the California Air Tools 10020C. This is a powerful 2 horsepower, ultra quiet and oil-free 10-gallon vertical air compressor. This air compressor is replacing our very popular 10020. Let me show you some of the new features and benefits we have with this air compressor. Number one, we have a new motor. This is the new SP9421 dual piston oil-free 2 horsepower air compressor pump and motor. This pump and motor only operates at 1700 RPM, which allows the motor to spin slowly and produce less noise. This air compressor pump and motor produces 5.3 CFM at 90 PSI, which is very high air delivery for this type of air compressor pump and motor. As we move to the front, we have 2 gauges. One is the tank gauge, that measures the pressure in the tank, and the other one's a regulated gauge, and that measures the air out to your hose and tool. Down below we have 2 universal industrial 1/4 inch quick connects. This is where you'll attach your air hoses. Next to that is your regulator that you'll regulate the pressure out to your hose. And then you'll have your safety valve. This is a safety valve that if the tank overpressurizes, this will release. Down below, we have our new Condor industrial pressure switch. This pressure switch is an industrial pressure switch, and we've added this so that we have more reliability. Down below, we have a new 10-gallon steel tank. It's a little bit taller and more vertical, so it takes less space up, and it's a little bit taller. And then at the bottom you'll see 2 wheels, and we made improvements to the way the wheels are designed for easy movement. As you can see, you can easily move the air compressor, push or pull the air compressor, and we have a nice handle grip on here that makes it easy to maneuver. Let me show you a demonstration so you'll get a feel for the sound. This air compressor produces 70 decibels of sound, and that's a little bit louder than a normal conversation. This is down below me, the little pancake air compressor is a standard air compressor. This produces about 90 decibels of sound.